That's fine.
I have to let you know that you have been suspended.
I don't
from
care.
the library.
That's fine. I'll take that. And I'll be seeing you in court because what you're doing is wrong, violating the First Amendment. Now, what this is a retaliation because I said, damn. I can say fuck, bitch, slut. I can do whatever I want.
People in the library.
I don't care. I have a First Amendment. Cohen versus California allows me to curse. And this right here, which you can see, yeah, this is a violation of my rights. I can take this and go. Are you asking me to leave?
You're more than welcome to challenge that.
That's fine.
Leave the library.
That's fine. I can leave that. That's fine. This is a First Amendment retaliation. And what's your name for the record?
My name is Ron Boxer.
Okay. Thank you. And
I need you to leave the
no,
library.
I'm going to ask the employee for the name. What's your name as an employee? You have to identify yourself, ma'am.
Actually, aides don't have to do that.
Yes, they do. They have to. She is a public employee. You can go ahead and record that, but I'm going to get a $62.50 for anything you record. That becomes public record. Just to let you know, I have done nothing wrong, sir. What you're doing is violating my right.
Multiple times.
And how so?
Documentation is right in your hand. You can take a look at it.
That's fine. I'll take a look at this documentation.
But you'll have to do so outside of the library because you have been suspended.
I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to let you violate my rights. No. You can go ahead and call the cops, but the cops are going to tell you the same thing. Elijah don't mean the violation of the First Amendment.
You cannot be in the library right now.
I don't care. Like, you're violating my privilege. I actually
You violated our library patron conduct policy.
remember when you were eating in the library. That's also a violation of the conduct policy. Or when Sylvie was on her phone, I guarantee you they don't allow you to do that. So what you're doing is you're holding a double standard. I'm sure you don't want to, but I'm sure you're going to violate the rights and do what you want, because that's what you do. You violate people's privileges, and then when people call you out on it, like when you eat lunch over here at this table, that's a violation of library rules. You told me no food in the library. There was an exception for cups that had seals that could be sealed, and you told me that. So you uphold policies that violate a double standard. You hold a double standard of your policies, and that's wrong. And you know that's wrong.
So,
Even the woman who was here, Carrie, the librarian, said, "I know it's the policies." And you know it's the policies that are violating. I can say bitch, fuck, shit, all I want. And there's nothing you can do about it. Cohen versus California. I have the right.
then curse in the library.
I can.
Protected speech.
How so?
Our library policy.
How so?
Please read the
Please
document
explain it.
outside of the library.
Please explain it. You have, as a public official, you have to give me you just give me a notice, but you also have to explain it to me. Because I can't read.
Last time, and then you ended up complaining.
So what you said is I complained, so you suspended me. I can't read it because my glasses are broken.
The last time you were in here, your glasses were not broken, and you were given the policy.
And I was given the policy, but I was not given a suspension. Can you read the sections for me, please? Since I am in this, I can't physically see it.
If you return to the library before the date your suspension ends and refuse to leave, library staff will call local police or the county sheriff. Your suspension is from all branches of the Contra Costa County Library. If your library privileges have been suspended for 1 week or longer, and you believe the suspension to be unjust, you may appeal to the county librarian. Your appeal must be in writing and must be received within 7 days of your suspension. Appeal should be addressed to the county librarian, Contra Costa County Library Administration, 777 Arnold Drive, Suite 210, Martinez, California, 94553.
And I never got your employee's name here. What, ma'am? What's your name? You have to identify yourself as a public employee, ma'am. This is for the record. This is for a record, ma'am. This is going to be all in court. And when is the date of that suspension? It doesn't say.
It sure does. It says right here, return no earlier than 3/15/24.
3/15/24.
Suspension.
I did not. So first off, I cannot be in violation of suspension since I did not have it until today. I cannot. That cannot be. I cannot be in violation of the suspension.
Giving it to you and asking you to leave.
That's fine. I'll take that. And now I will go since I have now this on film. First, I want your employee's name too, please. For the record, I would like your employee's name. Since she's here, she is now a witness in any case that may take place or be pending. So I would like your employee's name, please. For record purposes, you have to give me your employee's name. You are a public official. She is working under a public capacity. And this is a public library.
I'm Mark Boxer, and you can talk.
Okay, then I'm asking you, what is your employee's name?
You know, I don't feel comfortable giving that information.
Well, you have to. As a public employee, you are required by law to identify yourself. You saying you're a public employee, and I'm asking you, what's your name?
All of them are under me.
And I'm asking
That's
you,
the only name that you're going to get.
so you are the overall boss.
I am the person who is in charge of this branch.
Okay.
You've been documented as being present by your own video as being suspended. Please leave.
So the suspension, again, the suspension occurred after I got it. And I am going to leave now, and you have a nice day. I will be talking with my attorney and seeing you in court. And your employee as well. Thank you. Yeah, this is ridiculous. You realize what you said was I retaliated for my First Amendment because you complained about me. Have a nice day. Like, I can stand across the street and this is your public library. This is what they do. This is how they violate your rights. Again, this is going on public record. I'm going to put this on like YouTube and Facebook and Twitter. I'm going to put this on all the medias. You're going to be going on the media for sure. What you did was a violation. I can curse all I want. I could say, fuck you, Mark, and there's not a shit you can do about it. It's protected. That is bull. And I have the right to use the library. What you did, he's going to get in a lot of trouble. This is just the basic of what they do. You know, if you let one person violate your right, everyone thinks they can violate your rights. And because I used a simple word like damn, they want to ban me from the library. I can say fuck, shit, crap, all I want. And there's not a damn thing they can do about it because those are not fighting words. I have not used true threats or made any criminal threats towards them. And this is what they do. You shouldn't use this library. This library violates people's rights. I actually had it first. I said damn, and these individuals violated my right by saying you can't say damn. Saying the F word is worse than saying damn. So, this is what you guys will allow. I wouldn't even participate in this library. This is what they do. You know, this is why they have these types of things in place and policies. They don't care about the Constitution, only their policies. You know, since I can't participate in the library, I'll just start taking the book. I wonder if that means I can also not take books from here, which it says very public. This is a local people's project, not affiliated with the Contra Costa County Library. Please respect the operations adjacent county library. Please do not leave donated books to the doors after hours. Please keep the area neat. So basically, this is not connected to the library. I can come and borrow books and bring them back here. Interesting. But this is what the library does. It is if you file a complaint and you complain against them, which is a First Amendment protected right to redress the grievance for government, they have no rights to do that. This looks pretty good. I might have to read the interior. Oops.